So recording is started. Okay, so we'll see the GREP. GREP is a most very important command, one of the important command in Linux. Okay, it's a global regular expression printer to search specific text and display the lines that contains text. Okay, there are certain options also there. You'll see that options also. What is GREP? Global Regular Expression Printer. What is used to search specific text and display the lines contains the text. So important is you have a line. In this line, you want this particular line or any particular matched line. You'll display. Okay. So we'll do in a different ways. So first of all, cat emp1. Like this is there. So I'm putting a graph. I want to know the lines contains CLERK. Okay. So there is a line which contains CLERK. Okay. Too simple. Like this is the one way. Another way also I will try. Okay. Line contains CLERK. But there is a two CLERKs are there. One is in cap letter. Another one is in a small letter. You can see. Can you see? It's a caps letter. This is small letter. So what I'm trying to do is I want whether it is a cap letter, small letters or anything. I want to get display first. Not required to match caps and small. Case sensitive. I don't require. No, I don't require any case sensitive. Ignore the case sensitive. -I. Okay. Okay. Next. Two lines having a CLERK. Two lines having a CLERK. Next. If in case I want a with line number in second line and fourth line, CLERK word is there. The pattern matches in the second line and fourth line along with this line number. We exclude CLERK word. So if CLERK word is there in the line, don't display that lines. Don't display that lines. Don't display those lines. See how many number of lines the CLERK, how many number of lines having a CLERK word. Two lines are there. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
So like this also you can go through your grep command. This is the one way. Not always, but this is the one way. Okay. In this data, you have a different type of lines are there. Check the pattern. If pattern matches, display the line. If in this pattern, small letters, cap letters issue is there, you don't want that kind of case sensitiveness. You can ignore the case sensitive by I. Next one is want to get display. Want to get display the lines which match with this pattern with the line numbers. Want to get display, ignore this line. So not ignore, meaning is here it is. If pattern matches where the CLERK word is there in the lines, don't display that lines. Display other lines other than that lines. Finally, -C. So how many lines having a clerk? How many lines having a clerk? So this is a simplest form, and you want to know the options here, you can see. I will tell another story. So the story is like this. Cat, double greater or single greater, anything. I put a G file 1. I'm creating a file name is called a G file 1. Okay, and I'm writing something here. It is this is G file 1 file. Regular only I'm telling, so I will see. Savantis is formerly vedicsoft. Formerly vedicsoft. Okay. CTS is vendor for Savantis. Savantis. In Savantis, batch 17 classes, Linux classes going on something 1, 2, 3. Oh, mistake. Okay, I will do. I will try another one. Okay, okay. So in Carway Road, Savantis, Pune, located. I will edit later. Mistakes I will edit later. Okay. Windows 10, Windows Server, networking completed. Okay, so this is completed. Control D. Okay, so I'm going to edit once. G file 1. In Carway Road or at Carway Road, what it is? On Carway Road, Savantis, Pune located. Okay. Normal Savantis. It's not problem. Anything, no problem. Point is cat G file 1. Out of this one, guys, I want where the Savantis is located. Savantis G file 1. Savantis G file 1. 1 second. So how many places Savantis is there? As per this to as per this. Look at Savantis is located in a 3 lines, but actually Savantis in a 4 lines.
4 lines.
This line is not displaying. Why? Because of case sensitive, capital S. How to ignore the case sensitive? -I. Now, out of 6 lines, 4 lines are having 70s. 4 lines are having 70s. That is displaying. irrespective of what case it is, capital or small letters like that. Okay. Now I want to see, sorry, I must be there. Okay. I want to see how many lines are started with the Savantis. Starting line must be Savantis. Starting line is Savantis. Only one line is there starting with the Savantis. I want to see how many lines ends with the Savantis. Ending. In a line ending, Savantis is there. Only one line. Okay. This is another one. So we'll remove this one. Like last time we've seen, how many number of lines are having, sorry, how many lines are having a Savantis word? Display those lines along with the line number. Along with the line number 2, 3, 4, 5. Along with the line number. How many lines Savantis word is there? 4 lines. What are the lines not having Savantis keyword? Not having Savantis keyword. -V. Okay. So this is the another one. You can use anything. So, but dollar symbol. So that because of I created my own file. So that's why I created a file. So based on that, I can able to. So that 2 more points I will tell. So start of the line, end of the line. So I created a file. File is like this, very big one. Then I started using GREP. Where 70s is there, display those lines. -I for ignore case sensitive. -I ignore case sensitive. -I ignores case sensitive. If you put a cap like this, means it is a shift 6. Shift 6, then you will get a cap. Cap represent start of the line. Dollar represent if keyword is in the end of the line. Okay. -N, -C, -V. Guys, understand grep command? So cat G file 1. I want to see, and out of these lines, I want to see where the CTS word is there. How to get the line if it contains a CTS. Like this. Cat EMP1. Display the lines. Display the lines which is equal, which is the line contains typist or manager kind of stuff. Like this. Okay. Display those lines if keyword matches. Okay. And other options we have seen. Guys, understand or not understand? Any doubt?
Sir, understand.
This is the file. Okay, so if you look at it, is /bin/bash is there. Okay, but others don't have a /bin/bash. Last line having bin bash. Maybe in middle some may thinking is there, maybe usually don't have. Okay, bin bash. What I'm trying to say is I want the lines, those who are having a bin bash. Under, see, only the sputtler lines. You got EMP1, EMT2, G file 1, BF1, CF1, data 5, and some screenshot also there, right? So grep question mark F1 LS. Why it is not working? We have to put it in a quotations. No? Why? This is the display output. Okay. LS output is input to the next one. Grep. EMP1, okay. DF1, okay. So where the files with the file name, something I tried. The pipe experiment. I know what is output, but don't worry. Okay, so this is the grep, guys. Okay, so again, relax. Hard enough.